Watier's just sent me a package of their Iconic Essentials, so let's see what's inside. And it looks like we're starting with their Neiges Eau de Parfum spray. Now I haven't tried the Neiges fragrance yet, so I'm not sure what it smells like, but it is their signature fragrance and it's actually celebrating its 30th anniversary. Now when it comes to fragrance, I don't know much about notes, etc. All I know is what I like and what I don't like. So let's give this fragrance a try and I'll let you know what I think. It's floral, it's soft, it's very pretty. I like it. Next is their Sublimessence High Concentration Age-Defying Serum. Now this one I haven't tried before, but the older I get, the more excited I get about serums, especially anti-aging one. And this one is supposed to be a very powerful antioxidant. I love the way it feels. It's very smooth and silky. It's not oily and it's absorbing nicely into my skin. So I'm looking forward to trying it out. Here we have their 24 Hours Glam Intense Mascara. Now I don't often wear mascara because I have false lashes, but my lashes are very thin now and they need to get redone. So let me put some on my lashes right now and I'll be right back. Finish putting some on and it is giving my lashes a little boost. So I think I'm going to use this as like a little topper when my lashes are thinning out. I wear Watier lipstick almost every day. And this is their Rouge Fondant Supreme and the shade is Sarah. I wear Rosy all the time, but I'll just show you Sarah. And I'm not going to apply it right now, but there you go. That gives you an idea. But I love, love, love my Watier lipstick. Next is their Portfolio collection, which is their Correctors. Now I use this all the time. I even have it on today. It is perfect for whenever I go get some beauty treatments done, like my Botox, etc. I bruise really easily. This covers my bruises. I have some right now. You probably can't even see them. I love that there are a variety of different colors and different for different needs that you might have. There's like a bit more purple, a bit more green. There's a few different shades and they have a variety of shades for different skin tones. I love that it's long lasting. I love that it's easy to put on. It's very seamless. No one can ever tell that I'm wearing a concealer. This is definitely one of my favorite products ever. And that's it. So I would love to know if you are a Watier fan as much as I am. And if you are, what are your favorite products? Because like I said, I always like trying something new.